This is the Olay serum that I picked up from the Amazon team. This is my third one, I think, of this, and I really do like it. For context, if it helps anyone, I'm 47 and I've got mostly my wrinkles are on my forehead. I'm quite lucky I don't have too many around anywhere else, but that could be because of the Olay. So this is a daily serum that you put on either nighttime or in the morning or both, depending on what you're trying to do. And this works by plumping the skin and just minimizing the appearance of wrinkles. I also think for me, it's made my pores look a lot better as well and just generally given my skin a bit of a glow. And it's one of those really nice little pumpies. And this is what it looks like. Just a traditional sort of lotion. It spreads on really well. It sinks in really quickly. It has a really nice scent as well. It's not too strong at all. It's quite like sophisticated. That's a strange thing to say. But yeah, I think it goes on really well. And I find it just really hydrating as well. I know it's only a serum, but I often don't need to put anything else on because I just feel like I'm really hydrated. So that's it. That's all you need to do. And so this is my third one now. This lasted about 2 months, so it's pretty good. I think Olay anything is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I really like this one.